If you need to descale your De'Longhi Magnifica Plus and don't know how to do it, don't miss this video where we explain it step by step, in full detail, and in under 4 minutes. Let's get started. You'll know it's time to descale your De'Longhi Magnifica Plus when a message like this appears on the screen. As you'll see throughout the process, the machine itself will guide you through the steps quite clearly, but we'll still show you the full procedure in case you have any questions. The first thing you need to know is that to descale your coffee maker, you'll need descaling liquid. There are several brands available, but I always recommend using the official De'Longhi one, as it ensures full compatibility with your machine and helps maintain the manufacturer's warranty. If you're not sure where to get it, I'll leave links in the description and comments so you can easily buy it. Before starting the process, you'll need to remove the latte crema system and replace it with the hot water spout that comes included as an accessory with the Magnifica Plus. Next, you should empty and clean the coffee grounds container and the drip tray. As you can see, to save time, I've already cleaned them beforehand. Then, empty the water tank. If you're using a water filter, you'll also need to remove it at this step. Inside the tank, you'll see two markings, one labeled A at the bottom and another labeled B at the top. Pour descaling liquid up to the A mark. Then add water up to the B mark and place the tank back into the machine. Now you'll need a container with a capacity of at least 1.5 liters, about 51 fluid ounces. It should be stable and wide enough to collect the water coming from both the coffee spout and the hot water spout. Once everything is ready, press the button on the screen to start the descaling process. At that point, liquid will start flowing from both spouts. The process is quite slow. As long as the message you see on the screen is displayed, it means the first phase is still in progress. You'll know this phase is complete when the next message appears and the water tank is almost empty. At that point, empty the container that collected the descaling liquid and place it back under the spouts. You should also empty any remaining descaling liquid from the water tank, rinse it thoroughly, and fill it with clean water up to the maximum level to start the next phase. To begin the rinsing process, simply press the button indicated on the screen. The machine will start dispensing water again from both spouts, this time at a faster speed. Once this first rinse is complete, the coffee maker will prompt you to perform a second rinse by repeating the same steps. Empty the container again, refill the water tank to the maximum level, and press the button once more to remove any remaining descaling solution inside the machine. After completing the second rinse, all that's left is to clean the coffee grounds container and the drip tray again in case there's any residue, and place them back into position. Finally, refill the tank with the water you normally use. If you use tap water, this is also the moment to install a new water filter. Once this is done, your De'Longhi Magnifica Plus will be ready to make coffee again, fully descaled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.